Are you searching for stocks that have the potential to turn your small investment into life-changing gains in the upcoming months? Then you're in the right place, because what we're about to dive into is a company with immense growth potential, innovative technology, and the kind of financial foundation that separates the real opportunities from speculative hype. In a world where smart investors are chasing real value mixed with futuristic innovation, this stock stands out like a lighthouse in the fog. It's not a hype-driven name with no revenue, or a company still hunting for its first dollar. This one is already profitable, has a global customer base, and is actively shaping the future of telecom and satellite communication. So today we are diving into a stock that has the potential to make you rich if you understand where technology is headed and how satellite communication will reshape the global connectivity landscape. This is not a random stock. It's a company backed with solid fundamentals, a clear future roadmap, strategic alliances, and the confidence of Wall Street analysts who are already projecting double-digit upside from current levels. We're talking about a company with long-term vision and real-world execution. So if you're serious about making money in the stock market, make sure to watch till the end and remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the hottest stocks in the market. The stock we're talking about today is Iridium Communications Incorporated, trading under the ticker symbol IRDM on the NASDAQ. Iridium is a global leader in mobile voice and data satellite communications. The company provides innovative and reliable services to governments, NGOs, businesses, and consumers who need secure, always-on connectivity from anywhere on Earth. With a fully operational network of 66 cross-linked satellites in low Earth orbit, Iridium can deliver services in places where traditional cellular networks don't reach. Think oceans, deserts, mountains, or remote military operations. This satellite advantage gives Iridium a powerful moat in industries like aviation, maritime, defense, and IoT, which require consistent, global communication that doesn't rely on terrestrial infrastructure. In a world that's becoming more connected, more autonomous, and more data-hungry, Iridium sits right at the intersection of necessity and innovation. One of the most exciting developments to recently come out of Iridium is their strategic collaboration with GCT Semiconductor Holding Incorporated, a fabless semiconductor company that designs and markets advanced integrated circuits for the wireless communications industry. On June 4th, GCT and Iridium announced a partnership that aims to integrate Iridium's NTN direct satellite service into GCT's GDM7243 SL chipset. The goal of this collaboration is to develop a brand new, cutting-edge NB IoT chipset that complies with 3GPP Release 19, which is the next step in 5G advanced technology. This chipset is specifically designed to enable direct satellite communication for narrowband IoT devices, expanding Iridium's potential market dramatically. This brings us to the recent financial performance of Iridium, and let's just say it's strong. On April 22nd, 2025, Iridium released its first quarter financials, and the numbers are impressive. The company reported net income of $30.4 million, or 27 cents per diluted share. That's up from $19.7 million, or 16 cents per share, in the first quarter of 2024, a jump of over 54%. This kind of year-over-year earnings growth is rare in the satellite industry, where many players are still chasing profitability. Iridium isn't chasing, it's delivering. Operational EBITDA, a key measure of profitability, rose to $122.1 million from $115.0 million the year prior, marking a 6% increase. And the growth wasn't just limited to profits. Iridium solutions are mission-critical for these industries, and its technology allows devices to communicate anywhere in the world without relying on cellular towers. Now let's talk stock price. As of the most recent data, Iridium is trading at around $29.85. Wall Street analysts have taken notice and are forecasting strong upside. In the last 3 months, 5 Wall Street analysts issued 12-month price targets for IRDM. The average target is $36, representing a nearly 25% gain from current levels. The high forecast sits at $47, suggesting more than 50% upside, while the low forecast is at $25, which is still close to where the stock currently trades. The key takeaway here is that the analysts see much more reward than risk, especially given Iridium's improving fundamentals, strong subscriber growth, and exciting partnerships. Unlike many small-cap stocks that are unprofitable or overly speculative, Iridium has a clear path to value creation. But what's most exciting about Iridium is its future potential. The 3GPP Release 19 standard is expected to lock in feature specifications by September of this year, and Iridium's NTN Direct services are set to play a major role in this global standard. This positions Iridium to become a key player in the next phase of satellite-integrated 5G. That's a massive deal because it means Iridium's services could become a backbone of new global IoT deployments. The company is also actively working with governments and militaries across the world, offering them secure, independent communication that doesn't rely on foreign infrastructure. In the current geopolitical climate, where cybersecurity and communication sovereignty are growing concerns, Iridium offers a compelling solution that can't be ignored. Then there's the macro tailwind of increased demand for resilient communication systems. As climate events, geopolitical risks, and technological disruptions rise, the need for dependable global communications has never been greater. Iridium's constellation of satellites operates independently of terrestrial systems, giving it a huge advantage in emergency response, defense, and disaster recovery. And let's not forget their long-term contract with the U.S. Department of Defense, which provides revenue, visibility, and credibility in global defense circles. In a market where many investors are chasing the next AI or crypto play, Iridium offers something refreshing: a grounded, profitable, and forward-looking investment opportunity. The company has already proven its ability to deliver profits, grow its customer base, and expand into new technological frontiers. It's now taking its capabilities to the next level with next-gen NB IoT integration, positioning itself at the crossroads of 5G, IoT, and satellite communications. This is the kind of company that gets noticed after it's too late, when the stock is already up 100% and people are scrambling to understand how they missed it. But you don't have to be one of them. You have the chance to get in while Wall Street is still placing reasonable targets, while the technology is still being rolled out, and while the market hasn't fully priced in the coming wave of satellite-integrated IoT demand. Smart investors know that the best time to invest is when a company is profitable, innovative, under the radar, and supported by clear market tailwinds. Iridium checks all those boxes. Well, that concludes our look at Iridium Communications Incorporated, one of the most promising satellite telecom stocks on the market today. If you found this deep dive helpful, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next breakdown of high-potential stocks that could change your financial future. Whether you're building a diversified portfolio or hunting for the next multi-bagger, Iridium deserves a spot on your watch list, if not your portfolio. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.